This talking AI avatar you are looking at right now has made me tens of thousands of dollars.
And me, Melvin, the guy behind the account, I'm just a 19-year-old who just graduated high school. In just 1 year, I managed to grow over 150,000 followers, scaling my coaching business to 100k APR, whilst also working with some of the biggest brands in the space, paying me thousands of dollars for simple 30-second clips, all without ever having to show my face on camera. But why did I even go faceless in the first place? Well, to be completely real with you, I had this dream of making money online and living off of content creation, but I was too scared to show my face because I didn't want anyone to know if I was about to fail. And also, as I grew with my faceless account, I realized that, well, if I don't have to show my face and record myself, I can just outsource the ideation, the script writing, the video editing, and basically the whole content creation process to have an automated content system. And I call this faceless IG automation. So today in this video, I wanted to break down the first step of faceless IG automation, basically the face of everything, the talking AI. Because in the past, you either had to show your face on camera, or perhaps you tried one of these meme pages or motivational pages and realized that, oh shit, I cannot monetize these pages. But the game has changed, and now with faceless ID automation, you can still build your brand just like you could before, but without ever having to hit record. Whether that's using an animated avatar, a talking AI just like the one I use, or a complete clone of yourself, which some of your biggest creators are actually using and leveraging today. So no matter the route you want to go, I'll break it down for you in this video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the first step to getting started with creating your talking AI is to create the actual picture we want to use. If you're doing a animated avatar just like me, we need to have a picture, but if you want to do a full clone, we'll do a video, which I'll walk you through later. But the first step is the image, and we need to visit some kind of AI image generator. Here I'm in Midjourney, but this is paid, and the free one I recommend is called Leonardo AI. What we want to do here is head over to the image generation tab. You can see we have the prompt here, which I wrote an example, and then we hit generate the images. Some results will be questionable, like these ones, but it's quite straightforward. We put the prompt here, describe the image, generate with the button. But before you generate, we want to make sure it says 16:9 here. This is the phone format, just to make sure we have the right aspect ratio here. After you hit generate a few times, you will get some decent results, like this one, for example. Now we want to basically just download this. It should be this one. Yeah, so now we have got our image. This will be the face of our character. What we want to do now is we have the picture. Now we want to have the voiceover, and this is done through 11 Labs, which is another AI tool. Basically, we write the script here. I am Melvin. Perfect. And then we can generate here. Here on the side, you can see like we have tons of voices. I have actually made some on my own, but you will have tons of pre-made voices that you can listen through here. And I had some fun in the past and made like a Donald Trump copy or whatever. And you can actually like clone celebrity voices or your own voice. So if you plan to, for example, show your face eventually or switch from an animated avatar to your own clone, you can do that here as well by just recording a 30-second clip of you speaking. But here we are. Hi, I am Melvin, and then we hit generate. This will, yeah, and now we have, it says I am Melvin with the avatar voice. So now that we have our picture and our voiceover, we want to make it talks. And there are two great softwares that I recommend. One is named Studio DID. This is the one I personally use, and one is called HeyGen. It's this HeyGen and Studio DID. Let's use Studio DID for this one. Yeah, so what we want to do here is just upload our talking AI. Let's just use a standard avatar here. And now it should, let's add our picture here. select the phone format, and here we have the picture. Awesome. Now what we want to do is drag in that audio file that we did in 11 Labs. This will typically be your whole video script. Right now I just did a super short one, just for the sake of example, but now we have the audio, we have the picture, hit generate, and we will get a result like this.
Here is an example of what you will get after hitting generate. You can see it looks clean, it tracks what I say, and this is how I made my first 10K online, which is pretty cool.
So that's exactly the process that I personally use to make my talking AI, but you can also use a complete clone, which is pretty cool. I just wanted to mention that you typically do this in HeyGen, the other software. You can either select any of these pre-made ones, which looks scary good, to be honest. This looks super realistic, and you will see some creators. I'll put something on screen, one creator that uses it, which just looks insanely good. And you can actually do yourself as the clone. And basically how to do that is you upload a 2-minute clip of yourself into HeyGen, and you will have a complete clone of yourself. Okay, so now you should have some better understanding on how all the guys, and me included, use these avatars to make bank with faceless ID automation. Again, this is the exact process that has made me tens of thousands at just 19 years old, drop out of school, do this full-time work with some of the biggest brands in the space, and also being able to take care of myself and my family. I know, however, that many of you are still confused on how to create the faceless content, how to actually grow your account and monetize it, and I mean, what niche do you even go for? And I just wanted to let you know that I've helped countless creators out with this, like Ashot, for example, who grew over 100,000 followers in 70 days. So if you actually want to get started with faceless ID automation, without any prior experience, without having your own products, and no matter your age, which I think I quite little approve of, check out the first link in the description, and I'll send you a full breakdown on how to get started. Talk soon. Take care. Bye.